Now in this video we'll do decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay. If you have to convert a number from decimal to any number, any base, from decimal to binary, from decimal to octal, or from decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, in case of conversion from decimal to any other base, you will be dividing that given number repeatedly by the base of the number in which you have to convert. Means if you have to convert from decimal to binary, you will be dividing number repeatedly by 2, and if from decimal to octal, you will be dividing repeatedly by 8. And similarly, in case of decimal to hexa, if you have to convert a number from decimal to hexadecimal, you will be dividing repeatedly by 16. Integer part. This is for integer part. And fractional part, for fractional part, you will be multiplying that number with the base. Okay, till you are getting fractional part. Fine. So, example, suppose you have to convert 2699 to a hexadecimal number. Okay. Then you will be repeatedly dividing this number by 16. On division, you will be getting for the first time 168 and the remainder will be 11. Then 16, 10 and the remainder will be 8, 16, 0, remainder is 10. Now you know very well that in hexadecimal number systems, there are the numbers from 0 to 15. Total 16 numbers are there from 0 to 15. And 9 onwards for 10, 11, 12 we use alphabets. Okay. In hexadecimal number system, there are total 16 numbers from 0 to 15 and 9 onwards 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We use, instead of writing 10, you will be writing A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. So as in this case we are getting 11 and 10. So we will not write 11 and 10. We will be writing, instead of writing 10, we will be using A, and instead of 11 we will be writing B. Now copy down these bits. Instead of 10 we will be writing A, 8 and B. A, 8, B, base 16. This is the hexadecimal equivalent to 2699 decimal. Okay, if you will convert this number to 16 base, then you will be getting 88B. Fine. Now come to decimal fractional part. If you have to convert a decimal fractional part into hexadecimal, and suppose the number is 0.03125. From base 10 to 16, 0.03125. Now what we will do? We will be multiplying this fractional part with 16 repeatedly. Okay. So 0.03125 into 16. Then you will be getting 0.5. You will copy down the integer part over here. Integer part. Okay. Then again 0.5 into 16. You will be getting 8.0. You will be copy down the integer part, that is 8. Now in this case Now we don't have any fractional part, so there is no need to divide this with 16 anymore. Okay, till you are getting fractional part, you will be multiplying that number by 16. Okay, so what will be the answer? 0.8. So what will be the equivalent of 0.03125 base 10? Equivalent hexadecimal number will be 0.08 base 16. Okay, so this is the conversion from decimal to hexadecimal number. Okay.